Hello everybody, it is Elle Green back with another update on my PC Pro vlog. So, this past week I went through and I got through 3.8. So 3.4 was all about motherboard troubleshooting. So going through and making sure that your motherboard doesn't die, the things you can do to prevent that. We went through stuff with power issues, overheating, things with your fans and stuff. We had some labs and some practice questions. And 3.5 was about processors. We talked about different types of cores, multi-core, single core, socket stuff, overclocking. We went into some more detail about the Apple Watch School videos. This went into more detail about cooling and overclocking and multi-core and stuff like that. We did, well, 3.5 was probably the one of my chunkiest ones to get through. There was a decent amount of labs. We talked about a lot of different stuff that has to do with installation, but mostly this entire unit was really about different types of troubleshooting for different systems. We talked about memory, different types of memory for like RAM and stuff like that. Went through all the different types hardware for RAMs, which was pretty cool to learn about. More stuff about like bandwidth and things like that, different frequencies you can be on. We went through some labs for installing it. Then 3.8 was more about memory. So more facts about that. Yeah. And that is what I got through this week. I don't really know what happened with my test out, but it didn't record that I did in my labs and stuff. So that was fun. So now I have to go back through and do all of that, so it gives me credit for it. So I'm working on that for a little bit this week, and then I'm going to hopefully get through 3.4 and start 3.5. So, yeah, that's just what I got through. If you want to see more about PC Pro, you can go to my website, my Wix website, which is linked to my YouTube, or if you're on my Wix website and you want to see more videos about me, you can go through my Wix website, or you can go to my YouTube channel by clicking on the little link at the bottom of the page, or the top of the page. But yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, whenever. See ya.